Project UC-13, Automatic Selection Scheduling. Team members are Team Manager Ashton, Debbie Leiva, Shakir Gilkes, Taylor Gordon, and J.J. Jones. Our task was to deploy a web app for Kennesaw State University that would assist with the already overburdened capstone selection assignment process. KSU wanted a web app that can automatically assign students to capstone projects given group size parameters. The web app also must be accessible via the web and must be modular. This project was designed to be able to be adjusted to do whatever scheduling or selection assignment task KSU may like. In order for this project to work, we needed to use a selection algorithm. It was decided that the Hungarian-Munkres algorithm would be the best choice for this. The algorithm was created in 1955 by Harold Kuhn. This algorithm was used to allow the assignment of workers to multiple projects on the lowest calculated cost. To determine project popularity, we went with the Dowdall-Borda score. This score operates on a weighted numeric scale that will be displayed for the instructor to determine how popular a project is. Our code uses ES6 compliant JavaScript and a PHP file to communicate with the database. This PHP file handles connecting with the database and handles queries from the JavaScript files. We deployed these files with core FTP LE, seeing that the GitHub deployment option proved to be unreliable by creating errors or breaking the code completely. The deployment environment was Microsoft Azure by request of our project sponsor. We did this by using Azure's MySQL and Web App package. We then assigned all permissions using Azure's built-in Active Directory called the IAM console. For testing, we used information from our current capstone course. This includes students, project sponsors, and their respective projects. We used randomly selected values for the project preference section. We tested for the following topics: usability, function, compatibility with different devices, performance, and accuracy of the selection assignment process. Our testing found that the preference selection section had issues. The project assignment process was not accurate, and our reset button tended to break our code. The fix for this was reconnecting the database with the web app using the correct connection methods and fixing several bugs in our code. Once a user visits our web app, they will be greeted with a blank page with KSU's logo and 3 menu options. This page serves as a placeholder and can be edited by KSU to fill whatever purpose they see fit. Next is the preference page. This page is for students to select which projects they wish to do. The student will first select their name from the drop-down menu, then rate each project using the Borda score. The student must select their preferences for each project listed, then click the Submit button. Students can edit their preferences by going through the same steps as before, making the change, then clicking the Submit button again. Lastly is the assignment page. This page is for the instructor. This page shows all the available projects, their respective sponsors, and the project's popularity. To assign students to projects, the instructor must first enter the minimum and maximum values. Then clicking either the Optimize Minimum or Optimize Maximum button. The instructor must then click the Assign button to save the changes. These groups can be edited by selecting the students that the instructor wishes to switch. Then click the Update button. The groups can be reset by clicking the Reset button. Do keep in mind this will only reset the groups and not the student preferences.